Hey there! Are you frustrated with the yellow tint on your Xiaomi phone's display? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through how to fix this issue step by step. Let's get started right away. Solution 1. Check for hardware issues. First, open up Settings on your device. After that, tap on About Phone. Next, select Detail Info and Specs. Then, scroll down to find the kernel version. Tap on it several times to enter CIT or Hardware Test mode. Now, select Display and start the test. Check if your display shows all the colors accurately. If not, consider contacting Xiaomi's Service Center for repair. Solution 2. Turn off reading mode. To do this, go to Settings again. Then, scroll down and tap on Display. Next, find and tap on Reading mode. Then, toggle off Reading mode. Now, see if that solved the issue for you. Solution 3. Change color scheme. For this one, open Settings once more. Then, navigate to Display. Next, tap on Color Scheme. After that, select Vivid. Scroll down and choose Default. Scroll down and choose Default. Check if the yellow tint issue is resolved. Solution 4. Factory reset your device. Open Settings again. Then, tap on About Phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Factory Reset. Now select Erase all data. Enter your password or PIN if prompted. Tap Next and then Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset. Once done, the issue should be fixed. And that's it! You have successfully fixed the yellow display problem on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching!